Hi, I'm Fred Williamson. This is my first tutorial in English. Of course, my English is not good, but I will try. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a histogram using our programming language. Okay, we are going to start by loading the ggplot2 library. Library ggplot2. This library contains the diamond data frame. We can display the first six observations of diamond by using the head command or function. Head diamond, diamond, head diamond. After that, we can use the hist function to build our histogram. Hist diamond, diamond, price, price. We can change the number of bins by specifying the breaks argument. Here, breaks equal 100. We can change the title by using main arguments, histogram of diamond. Here we have the new title. We can also rename the X label by using X lab argument. X lab equal to price. We can see it here. We can also add a color by using the col argument. Col equal to still blue. Okay, see you to the next video.